Course title: Social Media Marketing. Course description: this course will provide an introduction to the field of social media marketing. Students will learn about the various social media platforms and how to create effective marketing strategies for each one. Topics covered will include content creation, audience targeting, analytics, and social media advertising. Course outline. Introduction to social media marketing. What is social media marketing? Why is social media marketing important? Overview of the major social media platforms. 2. Creating effective social media content. Understanding the target audience. Developing a content strategy. Tips for creating engaging content. Best practices for different social media platforms. 3. Social media advertising. Overview of social media advertising options. Developing a social media advertising strategy. Targeting options and ad formats. Measuring the effectiveness of social media advertising. 4. Managing social media accounts. Best practices for managing social media accounts. Tips for community engagement and social listening. Tools for managing social media accounts. B. Analytics and metrics. Understanding social media analytics. Key performance indicators, KPIs, for social media. How to measure the success of social media campaigns. I. Ethics and legal considerations. Ethical considerations in social media marketing. Legal considerations and guidelines for social media marketing. How to ensure compliance with regulations and guidelines. 7. Case studies and examples. Review of successful social media marketing campaigns. Analysis of what made them successful. How to apply these insights to your own social media marketing strategy. 8. Final project. Students will create and present a social media marketing plan for a specific business or organization. Prerequisites. None, but a basic understanding of marketing concepts is recommended. Duration. This course will be delivered over 10 weeks, with each week consisting of a 2-hour lecture and a 1-hour tutorial.